into the kitchen, where flavor meets passion. This is Macuse signature kitchen. Let's cook something unforgettable.
Today I'm making a refreshing strawberry homemade lemonade, perfect for the summer. For this recipe you will need 2 cups of strawberries, 1 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, mint, 4 lemon, and 4 cups of cold water. Add the strawberries and 1 cup of water to the blender. Blend until smooth. While blending, cut your lemon. Once ready, strain the mixture and set aside. Next, squeeze the lemon. Put the lemon juice in a pitcher. I'm looking for 1 to 1 1/4 cup of lemon juice.
Where flavor meets passion.
Add the sugar and stir well.
This is Macuse signature kitchen.
Pour the strawberry mixture into the pitcher and mix until well combined. Now, add the remaining 3 cups of the water and mix well. One teaspoon of vanilla extract. Let's add some more flavor. Add some fresh mint, sliced lemon, and some fresh strawberry into your lemonade. Mix everything together. And there you have it, fresh strawberry lemonade, the Macuse signature kitchen style. Simple ingredients, fresh flavor, and perfect for any day. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe for more from Macuse signature kitchen. Voila, enjoy!
Unforgettable.